I am ready to die, says ED advisor. Zaramena mashoko arikuda achitagwa awa nemukomana arikutsviridza mazuva ano arikuonekwa kunzi ameno paakabata kana arikutemba nei. Advisor to the president, investment advisor Paul Tungwarara. Panguva ino oya achitaura mashoko makukutu, mashoko arikuonekwa kunzi arikukonzeresa division, mashoko arikuuya panguva ino achisheka aiwa bato rerunyararo the ruling party ZANU-PF nekutukirira. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panguva ino vanhu vari kuti history is now repeating itself. Tinopinda panapa mupepa nhau reThe Standard vanobuda vanyora chiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa's investment advisor Paul Tungwarara says he put his life on the line by allegedly exposing people in ZANU-PF that were eyeing his position as the battle to succeed the 83-year-old ruler takes a sinister turn. Tungwarara said there are individuals in the party who are not happy with a speech he made in Zimunya, Marange last week, where he accused some people of using money to buy their way to the presidential office. He did not mention anyone by name, but his remarks were interpreted to mean that they were directed to a businessman, KUTYA, who has previously been reported to have presidential ambitions. Addressing supporters at Nyagezi Secondary School in Nyanga South, Manicaland Province yesterday, Tungwarara said he was aware that he may have put his life at risk. I was in Manicaland last week and I spoke what I spoke, though this did not go down well with some people with presidential ambitions, he said. I did not speak about anyone, but I spoke about myself. What surprised me is that the internet awoke and the names were thrown around. I am ready to die today. We need order in the party. I do not fear anyone. Tungwarara said there are people who wanted to cause confusion in the party. I worked with President Mnangagwa and learned a lot from him, he said. There are people who are surviving through exploitation. I had an accident today. It's not that T have been killed. It's my name. I know where I am standing and where I am going. I am happy after what I said. They are now coming out, but I do not speak about anyone. Ndomashukana advisor Tungwarara panguva ine tudze mafunguro enyu mari pamusoro mashoko apo Tungwarara. Pinda comment section medu zofunguro enyu, subscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.